I'm going to make a very simple and quick and of course healthy and delicious egg sandwich. It only takes three main ingredients with two seasoning items. I have chosen this multi-grain bread for this sandwich. I actually don't know its ingredients. I ordered it from a bakery. It tastes good and seems healthy, and it's supposed to contain flour of two or more grains. Well, I did ask them to write the ingredients on the receipt, but they didn't follow instructions. I haven't yet figured out what grains it contains. Once I do, hopefully, I will make it myself and try to share the recipe with you. It's a little brown, it's tastier than brown bread. It also contains a little bit of pumpkin seeds and flax seeds. I took two organic eggs, hard boiled them. If the flame is high, it takes 12 minutes to hard boil eggs. Now I'm going to take a fork and mash them. I don't mash them too thin and small. I leave little chunks. They give it a nice taste when you have to chew on them. Now I'm going to add some butter. You can add butter according to your own taste and choice. I think I will add a little bit more. Pink salt from Pakistan's Kura mines. It contains 84 trace minerals, good for your hair, nails, and skin. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper, a little bit more, and a tiny bit more. Mix them very well. I don't like the edges, so I'll just cut them off. Put them on your bread. I like to add a thick layer. Cut your sandwich in half. Tasty sandwich is ready, and it didn't take a lot of time. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now I'll make the second sandwich.